Hello again. So I'm sitting in the middle of at the front of the South Australian Museum, and I am here watching these birds. They're not running. They're not flying away. They're just here. It's so cool. There's so many birds. Look. So I'll watch them. I'll just watch them. As long as you don't touch them or hurt them, they'll just stay still. Just like anybody. If you harm them, they will fight back. So these birds are very, very cool. They're just, doing their own thing, whatever, and just chill. So, bird watching in the city of Adelaide, South Australia.